So in here, I'm gonna be washing the fruit, that is the mint leaf. I'm gonna be washing it. Anything we put in our mouth these days need to be washed thoroughly. Okay. So in here, guys, I've got celery. That is my celery. Celery is rich. Celery is rich in vitamins and minerals with a low glycemic index. You will enjoy vitamin A, K, and C, plus minerals like potassium and folate when you eat celery. Celery also low in sodium, plus it's low on the glycemic index, meaning it has a slow, steady effect on your blood sugar. It can help to reduce your blood sugar. Celery, you can make celery on its own as a juice. You can blend it to make your fufu. You can put celery in your salad. You can eat celery anytime, any day. You can chew it like a snack where you do a dip. You can do chickpeas dip with lemon, lime, coriander flour, and olive oil, black pepper, and make a dip with it. Okay. Celery are good for you if you want to go on diet. It lowers your cholesterol, it lowers your blood sugar, it helps you to stop bloating, gas. Okay, bloating and gas and diarrhea. Celery could potentially cure Gouters. That is celery. So right now, today, I'm making celery smoothie or celery juice with celery, fresh mint leaf, and fresh cucumber and lime. Hey guys, how we doing? Today, in front of me, I'm gonna be doing cucumber, celery, and smoothie and mint juice. So that is my fresh mint in there. That is my cucumber, my celery, and my lemon juice. That is the celery there. That is my lemon juice, lime juice, and that is my mint leaf. It's fresh one in the pot there. I normally buy herbs, put them in the container, and just water them every morning. So let me tell you a little bit of why we all should be, indulging mint in our drinking, as a tea, as a smoothie. Use it to cook your black soup. Use it in your salad. Use it to... Mint is so efficient. Mint is so nutritious, packed full of vitamin for our body. Mint provides a refreshing taste that can make the mouth feel clean. Mint also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can improve teeth and gum health. The act of chewing also helps with cleaning the teeth and your mouth. If you got mouth odor, you can use mint to brush your teeth, because when you look at the toothpaste they sell nowadays, they have mint toothpaste, they have mint shower gel, they have mint face, all our body cream, some they add mint. So mint helps to clean your teeth. Okay. You can put mint in the water to drink. Mint aids your digestive system. The mental quality of mint, because mint is like a peppermint, it's like pepperish somehow, has been shown to help clear nausea. If you're having nausea passages, studies show that mint may help reduce the bacteria within the mouth that causes bad breath. If you're having bad breath, mint drink is for you every day. Okay? Mint water, antibacterial quantity, makes it an excellent beverage for refreshing your breath. So, like I keep repeating again, mint is good for you guys. It's good for you. Like we all know about cucumber. Cucumber, you can use it to do your salad. You can use it to make your cucumber drink. You can use it to make your cucumber pancake, puff, anything. You can use it for your visual face routine. Cucumber is high in beneficial nutrients, as well as contain plant compound and antitoxin that may help treat and even prevent some conditions. Also, cucumber are low in calories and it contains a good amount of water, 95%, like the scientists said and the studies. Truly, when you look at cucumber, it's packed full of water. It hydrates your skin, hydrates your body, your system. Cucumber is a soluble fiber. It can help you to open your bowel. You know, if you can make cucumber juice and drink. In the next morning, it will flush your system. Cucumber, you can use it to detox. So cucumber, making them ideal for promoting hydration and aiding in weight loss. It can aid your weight loss journey if you keep eating cucumber. You know, indulge it in your everyday meal. In here, I got lime. If you don't have lime, you can put lemon, but lime will be ideal. Lime rejuvenates the skin. Several skincare products claim to promote healthier, younger looking skin. But today we're not talking, if you drink it from inside, it cleans you outside, isn't it? Lime improves digestion. Lime fights infections. Lime helps with weight loss. Lime lower blood sugar. Lime reduces heart disease. Lime prevents you from having cancer. Lime reduces inflammation. So that is my lime. That is the celery stick there and the chopped cucumbers. Waiting to be blended now. Those are green. Go green with me today. I call this juice go green with me. Cucumber, celery, lime, go green with me. It's a booster, it's a detoxing drink, it's a cleanser, it purifies your skin, it tones your skin, it detox your skin, it detox you, it heals everything. I will call it go green morning juice drink. So guys, that is my fresh mint leaf, cucumber, celery, and lime. So I will start blending it now, okay? So our juice is ready. Our juice weight reducer is ready. Our juice weight detoxing is ready. Our juice weight cleansing is ready. Cleansing juice is ready. Go green with me. I will call this juice in the morning when I wake up. It can be my breakfast. I will call it go green. Come go green with me this morning, guys. This is a drink or smoothie juice you wake up in the morning to drink. And you'll be active all day to go to work, to do your housework, to look after the kids, to go to your shopping. This drink, this juice, this smoothie will boost your day. Go green with me. Come green with me, guys. I call it come green with me juice. Like my neighbor say it. Oh, neighbor, are you gonna do me come green with me juice today? I say, oh yeah, I'll do for you. How do you want it? Then she said, put this green leaf, put this green that. Then I do it for her because she's just recovering from cancer. Thank God for her life. She's well today. This drink does everything, guys. My come green with me this morning, my green weight loss juice. If you don't want to do the smoothie, like to eat the rough edges, you can sieve it and just get the juice out. Okay, that's what I'm doing now. You see, the juice is coming out. You see? So guys, I got two options for you. That is the juice, and that is the smoothie. So if you don't want the smoothie, you can drink the juice. They do the same job. But the smoothie, that one will flush you quickly because of the rough edges. From the lemon juice, from the lime juice, from the cucumber. I don't peel the skin off because the skin is where the vitamin, is where the nutrient is. I never do. You know? Most of this vegetable we eat, we throw away the skin. The skin is where the nutrient is. You know? Those colors is where the nutrient is. The green color, the yellow color, the purple color, the white color, the orange color, you throw them away and you eat inside. You are not benefiting. Okay? So this is where the vitamins is. So if you want the juice, that is the juice, cucumber, celery, and lime. And lime detoxing drink. Weight reducer drink. Detoxifying drink. The drink that cleans you. That is the juice. Why this is the smoothie? That is the smoothie. So I did two options. So either you go for this or you go for the juice. They both do the same thing, but the smoothie will work quick, fast. Under 20 minutes, you want to go to toilet, you want to detox, you want to burn out that fat, you want to flush out your system. Okay, guys?